God is telling you that a new chapter is beginning for you. Prepare for new experiences, manifestations, and transformations, as well as overcoming obstacles and reaching your full potential. This time, you've been told to trust your intuition more. I'm going to take away all of the toxic situations you've grown accustomed to and replace them with healthy boundaries for your good life. Prepare yourself for the forthcoming shift. You've had enough lessons, so you've come to ensure that you never make the same mistake twice. It must get you to where you need to go in life. Keep your heart open, clear your mind, and be brave no matter what happens. Let go of your fears and listen to your intuition. Maintain your energy so that you can walk in a straight line. Everything you're going through is necessary for your education. God is saying that you must be prepared for major changes. You are entering a calm, feminine, and harmonious energy. You'll notice how God will organize everything and make sure you're in good company. You are being told that your luck will come to you gradually and very soon. You will gradually improve your finances, knowledge, health, and stability. You can strike an excellent balance between patience and your priorities. You're learning to control your emotions better than ever before. You are being told that you are one of the fortunate individuals who can recognize the reality of the world. Your ability to see right through people is a gift. You are a very perceptive and intelligent person. You are incredibly unique, because you can read people's auras and easily determine their intentions toward you. Never give up, because you will eventually achieve your goals and fulfill your destinies.